The No Waste project aims at reducing waste in mass retail channels and creating a reuse centre. No Waste is a LIFE project developed by Reggio Emilia Municipality together with Trento Municipality and Ambiente Italia SRL, Reggio nel Mondo and Coop Consumatore Nord-Est. What are the objectives of the No Waste project? Contributing to the reduction of waste generated by citizens when they shop and by supermarkets in their daily activities. Designing a reuse centre for the collection of unsold non-food products from mass retail channels and items that citizens no longer use. To achieve these goals, it is necessary to give citizens, mass retailers and businesses a sense of responsibility. Let's consider some data. About 252 million tonnes of urban waste were produced in the European Union in 2011, equivalent to 502 kilograms per inhabitant, a significant rate which is now decreasing. However, packaging waste produced increased both in Europe and in Italy. This situation drove the European Union to further invest on waste reduction. In order to allow the Member States to implement European waste management policies, in particular Directive 2008/98. This is how No Waste started. What have we done? First, we investigated good practices for waste reduction in mass retail channels at a national and international level. We improved the action plan for waste reduction that was already being implemented by Trento Municipality in its territory, by seeking the involvement of selected stakeholders, including major mass retail channels, local authorities, associations, and consortia throughout Italy. This enabled us to devise a new waste reduction plan, especially targeted at consumers and supermarkets, and including the sale of reusable bags, rechargeable products, compostable tableware, bulk products and detergents, packaging with low environmental impact, and reusable pallets and crates for fruit and vegetables. In the second phase, the waste reduction plan was approved and a memorandum of understanding between Reggio Emilia and Trento municipalities and local mass retail channels was signed. The plan was immediately implemented in a number of supermarkets in Reggio Emilia and Trento. At the same time, we designed a dedicated communication campaign explaining to consumers what they should do to reduce their environmental impact when they shop. We designed a brand, a sort of quality and eco-labelling of the supermarket that refers to project objectives: choose, reduce, and reuse. Posters, booklets, window decals have been produced in order to prepare the supermarkets, as well as billboards in the city, TV and radio commercials. The project is now in its third phase, dedicated to the collection of data and information on waste in order to monitor the plan's effectiveness. Along with these initiatives, No Waste has realised a feasibility study for a reuse centre for the collection of unsold non-food products from mass retail channels and items that citizens no longer use. This study analyses the reuse market, the existing legislation, and assesses the economic impact of the centre. Given the positive outcome of the study, Reggio Emilia Municipality and Irene Emilia agreed to open an experimental reuse centre close to one of the waste collection centres in the city.